Welcome, welcome, welcome. Today, me and Leopard have decided to make a trap base near Fishing Village. As you can see, it's 3 chairs in a row and a campfire in front of the one in the middle. Once we teleport a player to the Fishing Village, later on over somewhere on the map, I will take this seat, Leopard will take the other seat, and we hope that the third player will jump into the center, and people actually do. Why don't you, oh, well, that one also kills you, by the way. Yo, do you want to win some C4 and rockets?
No.
Take a seat.
Tell us a joke. Tell us a joke. Tell us a joke.
Tell us a joke. Well, sir.
I mean, I don't know a joke, bro.
Yeah. Feel free to turn the campfire on and grab something to snack on.
Oh, he's taking damage. Fuck. He was gonna stand up anyway, you know. I don't want to kill him by the campfire. He's doing ChatGPT.
Alright, I have one, but I don't know, it's battle, right?
Yeah.
Alright.
So it was an old man.
Yo.
Bruh.
He was just gonna stand up and continue, bro. I didn't want to continue listening.
Yo, a mini is coming. A mini incoming. A mini incoming.
Look, up in the sky, it's a bird. It's a plane. It's
A mini incoming.
Yeah.
I just
Hello,
throw
man.
him a fucking C4.
Come here. Over here, man.
Look
Take
at
a
those
seat.
guys bring a mini.
No, what happened to the mini?
So you have chosen.
You wanna tell us a joke? You don't have mic? You can type it in chat if you want to.
Okay, drop the C4 in front of him. Like, on the
Wait
deck,
for
on
me
the
to
deck.
bring. Wait for me to bring you a gift.
Ah, he jumped. Somebody's mad. Okay, Gamska, come here. See those guys? They're not very happy. Why don't you take a seat?
Ah man.
Bruh. You're rock hitting our doors, man.
Joke.
Can you tell us a joke?
I forgot to record. Wait. Oh.
I think we're the same fast as a mini.
What?
Go out of the safe zone. Like, go
Oh.
over here.
Requested. I'm requested.
What's his name?
TPA or 332x goat a Segway.
Yeah.
That's it. Oh, another guy.
Let's
2, 5,
TP all
12.
of them. One of them is gonna sit down and die, regardless.
Yeah. Take a seat so you can tell us a joke in chat or in voice mic. Yeah. I just blocked one guy. Come take a seat, man.
He just sees the body.
Yo, come over here, man. Take a seat. So we can tell you a joke. You told us a joke, I mean. Okay, so right now you're supposed to tell us a joke, so we can give you C4 and booms.
Okay, just wait. You want English joke? Or
Yeah.
Yeah, English, please.
English? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so.
Yeah.
Okay, you hear me?
Yeah, I hear you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We can hear you.
Why don't graveyard ever get overcrowded?
I don't know.
It's good.
Because people are dying in it.
I like it. Yeah, it's good.
It's good.
Alright guys, I'm hopping off.
Alright, man.
Have a nice night.
Ah!
Did he die?
Yeah, he turned on the campfire, bro.
You can have this. Big. Yeah, welcome back.
Bro, the campfire. I think the
Bro,
campfire
a
killed you.
second
man.
one.
Huh?
Why can skeletons fight each other?
Oh my god.
I don't understand French.
You have to do the joke over here, man. He has to listen as well.
Why?
Come
Okay. Why can skeletons fight each other?
Yeah.
Why are you running?
Because they don't have the guts.
It's good.
He's already dead, bro.
That poor guy.
Oh, we have to give him some stuff, bro. I feel so bad now. You guys want some free C4 rockets, man? Mr. Swimmer?
Give me my C4!
Here, come here.
Give me!
Here, come here. Here. Take a seat in the other chair. Naked.
Don't sit in the middle, guys.
That's got to be the best part I've ever seen. So it would seem.
Take a seat.
Come.
Yeah,
There's
it's good,
one-
man.
Take a seat.
Yeah, I see what
Bro,
Wait,
take a seat.
no.
bro. Yo, we're here, bro. We're here, bro.
Okay,
Yeah.
now? Okay,
There's
now?
one in
Tell us
front
a
of
joke,
you.
man.
There's one in front of you.
I see what you're doing, bro. I see what you're doing, bro.
Yo,
Take a seat, bro. Take a seat.
don't say.
Take seat.
Errol, take a seat.
Take a seat. Now, tell us joke.
Yeah, man, there's one ahead of you, okay? Just wait for a second. 1 second.
Bro, what the fuck is happening? Where did the second tug
Come
come
here,
from?
come
Yeah,
here.
go.
Next one. Take a seat.
Whoa.
Take
Why
a
would you
seat,
do
man.
that
Take a
to me?
seat.
Take a seat, man. Take a seat.
Take seat.
Take a seat.
Why would you do that to me?
Take a seat.
You do it first, man. You go
I've
first.
already done it.
You know, man, you're gonna get anyway C4 and rockets. You just need to TP back. Just sit.
I can't believe you done that to me.
Sit with
Man,
me.
just we need to. Yeah.
Okay, now, bro, listen.
You
We want a joke.
wanna know what? Yeah.
Tell us a joke.
Go on. No, go on.
Tell us a joke.
Tell us a joke.
Hey, you think that's funny, yeah?
I do not have a joke, man.
Nice.
You think that's fucking funny, yeah?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
you're
want
gonna
cup
get
of
better,
tea?
better prices later.
Yes, I do.
One bottle of
There's
water.
crumpets
A
as
bottle
well.
of water. A bottle
Just
of
bottle
water.
water for me, yeah? Just bottle water for me, yeah?
A bottle
Alright.
of water.
Why don't you
Okay.
come over here, man?
Shark,
I
Shark, wait.
really like the
Go there and take a seat. Go there and take a seat.
Yeah, don't worry about. They're just doing F1 kill.
Your mom is gay.
Bro, you don't ask Matthew. Tell us joke now. Don't have joke?
There's one in front of you. Why?
Are you injured?
Oh no, you know.
I really like the tugboat. Can I have it?
Again coming.
Oh my god, why is
Nice.
there there's so many people? What the fuck, bro?
Yo, there's one in
Oh,
front.
he just stood up.
Oh yeah, go for it. Go for it.
I really like this tugboat.
Take a
Why
seat.
is there so
Go
many
take a seat.
fucking people?
Tugboat. I really like this tugboat.
You can just see him fall over.
Let me in.
Shut the fuck up.
Knock, knock. Knock.
Your price is there, man.
Oh my god, he sat
Go.
down in the middle.
I really like this tugboat.
Let me hide.
We're out of fucking booms.
No,
don't-
I have,
okay.
Here. Oh my god.
Be careful! Rockets!
What the fuck?
Burby.
Bro, I see for his door.
Coming in.
Can I have weapon? I can help you. I swear to God, I help you. I swear on God, I help you.
That other guy, I didn't take trust for him because he's about to kill. Okay, don't kill me, okay? Just help us.
Be careful!
Yeah, take my. There's a guy outside with a fucking AK. I don't know if we need to trust him. I just give him a fucking AK.
We want our C4 and rockets now.
2 hits.
Yeah, you're gonna get your C4 on rockets, but don't fucking raid us. Why the fuck did you raid us?
Hit again.
Bro, there's 3 guys.
Him. He's dead.
Alright. That motherfucker is fucking.
Yeah, they got hurt when we killed one of their guys.
Just gonna stand here so they can accept my TP. Yeah, we do one at a time. We do one at a time. One ahead of you, man. Okay, tell us a joke so we can give you something.
Take
No
all the
problem.
time in the
Call a
world.
man with a seagull on his head.
What?
Cliff.
It was funny the clap, not the fucking joke, but yeah, it's okay.
Get in there. I got another one for you. Another one. What happens
Okay, tell us.
if you, what happens if your dishwasher stops working?
Got your wife.
Come and take your fast shotgun right now.
Why did you just F1?
No, it's hey, just fucking F1. What? Yo, take your seat right now. Your turn.
Got
Yeah,
another joke.
take a seat.
Yeah, what?
Fuck no.